guys, so today I'm doing a video about how I did my hair today. This is the final results, but you know, throughout the video you see how I got it to look like this. It's a very simple routine and this is what I do almost every day. No, I do this every day. I just got my hair this low last weekend at the World Natural Hair event, the Talia YG World Natural Hair event here in Atlanta, Georgia. And I actually got my hair cut at the show on stage. I was like, bruh. My hair was already short, as you've probably seen in previous videos, but I got it even shorter. I'm talking about minimal to none. Today's my birthday, actually, so clap one time for the birthday girl. Today I use Jane Carter products and it's so amazing. I bought it at the Natural Hair Show and it was only $5 a pop for all the products that I bought here today. So the first product I got was the Curl Drench, Curls to Go Jane Carter brand, and it's sulfate-free, gentle cleansing, and non-stripping. And then I also got the Revitalizing leave-in conditioner and from Jane Carter as well. And the last product I used was the Curls to Go Shine On Curl Elixir by Jane Carter as well. These are so good. So with the Curl Drench, it was super moisturizing but cleansing at the same time. It definitely left my hair really soft and a really good foundation to finish my routine throughout. And so it was just a really good base. I highly recommend using a co-wash, especially with short hair, because you're going to want to wash your hair like every 2 days so you can kind of have a fresh style every time. I highly recommend the Jane Carter Curl Drench. I'm losing my mind. So the next product that I use is after you rinse out the conditioner and you jump out the shower, I like to get ready. So I like to lotion, put my clothes on, put makeup on, and then by the time it's time to do my hair is pretty much dry. So I come back and spritz my hair with a light amount of water, not too much. I don't want it to be dim. That's why I do my hair last, because I don't want my hair to be dim. I kind of want it to dry down so then I can add the amount of water that I need for myself, for my styling. But then I just squirt on this leave-in conditioner and I just don't do a lot, but just do enough because this is my only styling product actually. I don't want to put too much stuff in my hair because my hair is so close to my scalp. I don't want too much buildup on my scalp. When it comes to any type of leave-in or gel or anything, this is what I pretty much use for my hair to be this low. When my hair is a little bit longer, I put in a cream because I wanted it to help create curls when I use my sponge brush. And it helps just put a little bit of some type of texture in my hair, make it more uniform throughout. And that's what I do right after I use the leave-in conditioner. And then next, I use the Jane Carter Shine On Curl Elixir. And this helps just seals all of the magic that I did before in. And what I love about pairing these two products, the leave-in conditioner and the Curl Elixir oil, is that it doesn't leave a weird, filmy texture on your hair. It's like it just pairs beautifully together. And you know, sometimes staying within the same brand and the same brand really helps because they kind of make sure that their products are gonna bind together. So I also laid down my edges and then I laid it down with a scarf, and yeah, I took it out and this is the final results. Okay, so thank you for watching and I hope that this video was informative and quick and easy and straight to the point. Okay, so thank you for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and wish me a happy birthday because I'm finally 22. Bye guys.